Hi, I'm Annika from iDoc, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix your broken Galaxy S22 Ultra yourself. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your great support and trust in this channel. However, our statistics show that 98% of you have not subscribed yet. If the same goes for you, we would be very happy if you make up for it at this point. With your subscription, you will not only support our channel, but also won't miss any of our new videos. Replacing the back cover is the easiest repair for the S22 Ultra, since no other components have to be removed. Allow about 15 minutes for it. You will need the following tools. In addition, these tools can be helpful. You can find all tools for this repair, as well as an original back cover for your Galaxy S22 Ultra in our online store at idoc.eu/en. We've put the links in the info box. Don't forget to switch off your S22 Ultra before the repair to avoid a potential short circuit. To do so, press down the function and silent key simultaneously for a few seconds. To open the smartphone, you first have to warm up the heavily glued back cover. To do so, run a heat gun or a normal hairdryer evenly over the back cover's edge for a few minutes. Be careful not to burn your fingers on the heated case and back cover. Once the back cover is sufficiently heated, place a suction cup on its bottom edge and pull it upwards. This way you will create a narrow gap between the back cover and the screen unit. At the same time, insert a flat pick into the gap. If you have difficulties inserting the pick, the iFlex can help with the first insertion. It is made of thin metal and is particularly easy to insert due to its sharp edges. However, you should switch back to a plastic tool as soon as possible to avoid scratching anything. As an alternative to the suction cup, we can recommend the ice clack. Thanks to its leverage, you don't have to use as much force to lift the back cover upwards. Once the beginning is made, detach the back cover piece by piece from the rest of the case with your tool. To make it easier for you to remove the back cover, you can always warm up its edge in between. Leave flat picks in the loosened areas so that the glue cannot bond again. We recommend using a hard plastic pick around the camera module. Due to its rounded corners, you can't insert it too deep and don't run the risk of damaging the sensitive camera lenses. Once the back cover is fully detached, you can remove the suction cup and picks and take it off. Here you can see the adhesive frame that was used to attach the back cover. You can find an original replacement back cover for your Galaxy S22 Ultra, as well as the appropriate tools for this repair in our online store at idoc.eu/en. On the inside of the new back cover, an adhesive frame is already integrated. Remove all protective films and position the back cover over the screen unit again. Press it firmly along the frame so that it sits evenly everywhere. To ensure that the glue bonds properly, you should heat the edge of the back cover for a few minutes and then weigh it down with a few books. You've done it. The back cover of your Galaxy S22 Ultra now looks like new again. I hope the repair of your Galaxy S22 Ultra was successful. If this tutorial helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time! You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone. Find more repair guides and other helpful videos here.